To fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for the app, which is ADP Mobile app. Use your finger to tap on it when you find it. Now tap on app info. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is turned on. That's very important. Go back and tap on permissions. Make sure this permissions is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on the force stop. Then tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on like this. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for ADP Mobile. So when you search for ADP Mobile, you have to tap on it, and when you tap on it, you're going to get this. So what you have to do when you get over here is to just tap on update to get the latest update of this app. So when you get the latest update of this app, tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart, and this problem is going to get fixed. When this problem is still not getting fixed, what you have to do is to try to go to your phone settings. Then after that, tap on network and internet. After that, what you have to do is to tap on mobile network and select the network. Now what you have to do is to go back, scroll down and tap on advanced. Then you just scroll down again, then you tap on preferred network. Now choose 4G, 3G and 2G auto plus. So after choosing this option, what you have to do is to tap on restart to restart your device. So when you restart your device, this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.